Alka Slim is marketed as a weight loss supplement that claims to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, and help your body burn fat more efficiently. The marketing makes it sound like losing weight can be quick and effortless, but the real question is, does it actually help you lose weight? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in weight loss supplements have been studied for their potential effects on metabolism and appetite. However, no over-the-counter supplement has been proven to produce significant weight loss on its own. What it does well, convenient to take. It's easy to add to your daily routine without major lifestyle changes. May provide nutritional support. Depending on the ingredients, it may contain compounds that support normal metabolism or help with satiety. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a miracle fat burner. No supplement can guarantee rapid or effortless weight loss. Evidence depends on the ingredients. Even if individual ingredients have research behind them, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers the advertised results. Results vary between individuals. Diet, physical activity, sleep, stress, and overall health have a much greater impact on weight loss. So, should you buy Alka Slim? Short answer, maybe, if your expectations are realistic. If you're looking for a supplement to complement a healthy diet and exercise routine, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to produce significant weight loss on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.